CES 2026 recorded a 29% surge in AI-related innovations compared to the previous year. But the shift this time is not about smarter screens or faster chips. It is about machines that physically touch the world. Robots that fold laundry, fridges that cook dinner, and humanoids that work factory floors alongside people. Here is what actually matters from Las Vegas. Hyundai and Boston Dynamics, Atlas goes to work. Hyundai used its dedicated media day at CES 2026 to make a specific argument that 2026 is the year robots stop being experiments and become actual co-workers. The centerpiece was the public debut of the next-generation Atlas from Boston Dynamics. This is not the hydraulic machine that went viral doing backflips in controlled environments. This is an all-electric platform built for sustained heavy-duty labor in real industrial settings. Hyundai describes its purpose as handling tasks that are dirty, dull, and dangerous. The work that depletes human workers and creates the highest injury rates in manufacturing environments. Alongside Atlas, Hyundai showed Spot, the quadruped robot that has already been deployed across multiple industrial sites globally, and Mobed, a four-wheeled AI-driven platform that carries equipment across uneven ground while keeping its cargo perfectly level regardless of terrain. The three platforms together form what Hyundai describes as a value network. Not isolated robots performing individual tasks, but a connected system where machines distribute labor across different physical requirements within a single facility. Hyundai's software-defined factory framework treats these machines as essential infrastructure rather than experimental additions. The distinction matters. Infrastructure gets maintained, upgraded, and scaled. Experiments get shut down when the data is collected. Cloi, the two-armed home assistant. LG's entry at CES 2026 targets the problem that no smart home product has yet solved: physical household tasks that require hands. Cloi is a full-bodied home assistant robot with 2 arms and 5 working fingers on each hand. That specific design choice unlocks a category of tasks that every previous home automation product could not approach. Picking up a stray sock from the floor, opening a kitchen cabinet, sorting laundry. These are not remarkable capabilities for a human. They have been categorically impossible for any home technology until now. The AI system powering Cloi runs on what LG calls affectionate intelligence, a software layer that uses cameras and microphones to understand the context of a room rather than waiting passively for commands. When it hears you say you are tired, it may suggest dimming the lights or confirm that doors are locked. It observes the environment continuously and responds to what it infers rather than only to what it is explicitly told. A screen on Cloi's head displays expressions, a deliberate design decision to reduce the psychological distance between the machine and the people sharing their home with it. LG is positioning Cloi as the operational heart of a zero-labor home vision where residents spend meaningfully less time on maintenance tasks. For anyone who has watched smart home technology promise to simplify domestic life without delivering on it, Cloi represents the first serious attempt to address the problem at the physical layer rather than the interface layer. Samsung's AI Kitchen Ecosystem. Samsung's CES 2026 presentation centers on what they call the AI Living Ecosystem, a network of connected kitchen appliances that share information and coordinate with each other in real time. The anchor product is a bespoke AI refrigerator that marks the first time Google Gemini has been integrated directly into a home appliance. The implications go beyond a smarter camera view of the interior. Gemini enables the fridge to identify specific food items, track when they were purchased, and generate recipe suggestions based on what is approaching expiry. User-labeled containers are recognized and differentiated. The system knows the difference between yesterday's leftovers and a fresh meal preparation. The ecosystem extends beyond the refrigerator. A smart wine cellar automatically scans every bottle placed inside, tracks storage conditions, and organizes the collection digitally without manual cataloging. An AI-powered microwave and a slide-in range complete the network. The coordination between appliances is where the genuine value emerges. Micro RGB displays, the new screen standard. Both Samsung and LG are presenting micro RGB displays at CES 2026 that challenge the assumption that old represented the ceiling of consumer display technology. LG's flagship version achieves a 240 Hz refresh rate while maintaining a full IGB pixel structure across the panel, a combination that was not previously possible at this scale. Dynamic frequency technology allows the display to shift between a high-resolution mode optimized for cinema content and a high refresh mode optimized for gaming without manual switching. These panels are available in 75, 86, and 100-inch sizes, not niche computer monitors, but the full scale of home theater installations. The brightness and color accuracy measurably exceed what old panels deliver at the same sizes. Samsung is simultaneously expanding its micro RGB lineup to cover more size options than before. For 2026, the combined effect of these releases establishes a new baseline for what home displays are expected to deliver. Immersive cinema quality combined with gaming-grade response times in the same panel. Nvidia, Intel, and the chips making everything possible. None of the robots or connected appliances at CES 2026 function without the processing architecture being unveiled alongside them. Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang presented the concept of physical AI, the processing layer that allows robots to understand gravity, predict how objects move in real environments, and navigate spaces safely around humans. Nvidia is providing the computational foundation for virtually all the autonomous behavior visible across CES 2026's robot demonstrations. The shift from PC components to robot brain platform represents a fundamental change in what Nvidia's business actually is. Intel's Panther Lake processors, built on an 18-angstrom manufacturing process, address a different problem, enabling laptops to handle complex AI tasks locally without cloud connectivity. Real-time translation, rapid video editing, and continuous AI inference running entirely on the device rather than sending data to remote servers. The smaller innovations that signal what is coming. Beyond the headline announcements, the smaller exhibitors at CES 2026 collectively paint a picture of where the physical AI ecosystem is heading. Paxini is demonstrating tactile sensing technology that gives robots the ability to feel touch, detecting pressure, texture, and resistance at a resolution that approaches human fingertip sensitivity. Leopard Imaging is providing vision systems for humanoid robots that maintain full performance in low-light conditions where previous computer vision approaches degraded significantly. Albot's CyberPet and WI Robotics' Alex wearable suit are addressing personal care and assistance from different angles. One as a companion device and one as a wearable system that augments physical capability. Roborock and IPA are continuing the evolution of autonomous cleaning into environments and surfaces that earlier generations could not navigate. The pattern across all of these smaller innovations is consistent. AI is migrating out of screens and into physical objects that perform tasks, appliances that cook, robots that clean, wearables that assist. The transition from information technology to physical technology is not coming. It is present at CES 2026 in commercially available or near production form across dozens of product categories simultaneously. The 2026 tipping point. The humanoid robots entering public testing, factory trials, and early home deployment in 2026 share capabilities that were not present simultaneously in a single platform before this year. Fluid movement that recovers from unexpected perturbations without human intervention. Object recognition that adapts to new items without retraining. Decision-making that responds to changes in the environment rather than executing pre-programmed sequences. Balance and locomotion have reached a point where walking, stair climbing, and recovery from slips no longer require controlled surfaces or ideal conditions. The same platforms performing those movements in demonstrations are being deployed in factories alongside human workers where conditions are not controlled and failure has direct operational consequences. The challenges that remain, energy efficiency, unit cost, and social acceptance, are real. But the pace at which they are being compressed is faster than the projections made even 2 years ago. What CES 2026 demonstrates is not a future roadmap. It is a present tense inventory of what exists and what is shipping. Homes that respond to what you need before you ask. Factories where robots and humans distribute labor based on what each does better. Kitchens that coordinate their own appliances. Displays that perform equally well for cinema and competitive gaming. Chips that run complex AI locally without network dependency. The transition from devices that show information to systems that perform physical tasks is the defining technological shift of 2026. And CES is where it arrived in public, commercially, all at once. An electric atlas built for heavy industrial labor. A home robot with 5-fingered hands that picks up socks and opens cabinets. A refrigerator running Google Gemini that sends cooking instructions to your stove. Displays that deliver cinema and gaming from the same panel. Chips that run real-time AI without touching the cloud. And hundreds of smaller innovations pointing the same direction. Physical AI arriving at scale. Drop a comment telling us which announcement changes your daily life first. Check the end screen for more technology breakdowns sitting there right now.